Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Chantal back with another video for you guys, and yeah, just wanna be your girl. I know it's very awkward, but I am back with another video. So I'll be posting weekly on YouTube, and then on TikTok I'll be posting just regularly. So yeah, I am Chantal, for those who do not know me, and for those who know me, shout out, man. Before we get into the video, I would like to thank you for 350 subscribers. I mean, we're getting somewhere, we're getting somewhere. Please keep on subscribing. For those that haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Please go and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscription now, like now. And for those who have subscribed, please turn on your post notification bells so that you guys are notified next time I drop, and so that it's just easy for you. Hey, without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. I bought things from Takealot, Pep, Ackermans, and ShopRite. We're gonna first start off with my package from Takealot. I got these two big boxes. Well, they were three, but I used the other one already just to put things together for the right timing and the video things. So I ordered this on Takealot. It's an intelligent automatic double breast pump, simply because I do not want to breastfeed my baby like on a regular basis. I don't know, I just feel like I have a fear of breastfeeding and stuff, but I don't want to breastfeed like that much. But yeah, I'm gonna breastfeed, but not that much. I ordered this Tommy TP bottles. They come two inside, and it was for a very affordable price. It's the little bottles. These obviously are for the feeding. I can't buy a breast pump and not buy bottles like that. I bought this baby carrier for terms of traveling and checkups, and it's adjustable, I think up until 3 years if I'm not wrong. Like, it's a very huge, when I opened it, it was very huge. And then I ordered these obviously for hygiene purposes, and I just love it. I don't know why I bought pink, but yeah, I just love pink. And if it's not a pinky I'm hoping for, then just have to use that. And then lastly, from Takealot, I got this bag. This was one of the best purchases I like. This is one of the, I don't know, I just love this bag with everything that I have. I love it. It's that one that has a bed at the back. So I'm also, yeah, I'm gonna make a clear video opening it and all that. But yeah, this is my last purchase from Takealot. Stuff from ShopRite as well. ShopRite, I bought these. They are it's wipes, 4 inside, 4 packs inside. And I bought these for 100 rand. And then I got this Vaseline for 50 rand. And I got these 2 soaps. I don't remember how much was one, but I think, I don't know, I don't want to lie. I got this small baby oil because I'm not even sure that I'm going to use the baby oil, because most of the times this doesn't really work. We don't really like use it, but yeah. Just a disclaimer, I'm a first-time mom. All of these things I'm just seeing from my siblings and all of that, and my cousins. And lastly, from ShopRite, I got this bedtime shampoo because I want that child to be very drowsy and sleep. That's all I want. From Pep and Ackermans, these were just emergency stuff, just for in case I had an emergency before time we get other stuff. Other stuff, I'm still waiting for them. They're still coming. Probably I'll be doing another part 2 for the other stuff that are still coming because I'm waiting for them through through Pixie via Pep. So I got these. I got this. I don't know, what do they call this? I got this receiving blanket. I got this, and the hat, and 2 of these. There's another one, and this, and this, and socks. More socks and a hat. My all-time favorite, this. Okay, I'm gonna keep that child sucking this just so that the child doesn't cry, because yeah, I can't have a child crying. I cannot stand that. But yeah, this is all I have for now, but more things are still coming and I'm not done preparing. I haven't packed my hospital bag, even though I'm like super close. I haven't packed my hospital bag, but yeah. Whew. Anyways, we've come to the end of the vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. And yeah, if you're watching without subscribing, please do not do that. It's so wrong. And regarding the previous video of the story time, 2 questions that I saw, I'm just gonna host a Q&A, and then you guys are just gonna get answered on the Q&A video when it drops. I don't know when. So if you guys have any questions now, you can comment them down below, and then I'll answer that together with the Q&A video. And then the Q&A video will only come out depending on the number of questions I have. If the number of questions is less, then I'm just gonna squeeze in the questions randomly in the videos that I'll be shooting upcoming. And then yeah, I think that's about today's video. And you know, I'm proud of myself. My TikTok page is growing. If you haven't been on my TikTok, please go check out my TikTok page and follow me on TikTok and check out my content there as well. If you love my content, you know what to do, like, share, and all of that. But yeah, anyways, it's late. I had a very long day, a very tired day, a very moody day, but I know I do not look like it because I'm that girl. So yeah, until the next video, positive vibes only. And yeah, help me grow my YouTube channel. Now that we have 350 subscribers, can we at least get to like 400 subscribers until month end of January? I'm giving you guys until January to give me 50 more subscribers, and then we keep going until nah. So before I start saying unnecessary stuff, bye guys, good night or good morning whenever you see this. Bye, and don't forget to comment anything that you want to know, any video recommendations, just anything. Comment down below and I'm gonna be your girl. Just don't be hard on me. Bye.